This is a tutorial on how to configure and install VlyDo on your server. First, I'm gonna unzip this archive. Then I'm gonna upload it into the server using FileZilla as a FTP client. I'm gonna upload the content of the folder into the public HTML folder. This will take a while, and I'll be right back when the files are completely uploaded. Okay, the files have been uploaded. Next, we're gonna set up the database. I'm gonna go to MySQL databases. Let's create a database. I'm gonna call it VlyDo. Okay, create database. Now I'm gonna go to the website, copy the license key. Okay, let's proceed. Basic information. At this point, I'm gonna fill only the mandatory information because this is a basic installation video. For the other tabs, you will find the information you need in the documentation section. Okay, let's go back to MySQL databases. In this section, we will fill the login credential for the main user when we will log in into the platform. A code has been generated by the platform, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy it. Gonna select all and copy it. We're gonna select text editor, gonna paste the content, gonna click file, save as, we'll name it config.php. Remember, this is mandatory. The name and the extension is mandatory for the platform to work. Next, we will upload the config file into the server. Check PHP. Okay. Let's go to the next step. And it says that we have to rename or remove the install directory. Okay. I'm gonna delete it. We successfully installed the platform. Please remember that this is a basic install of the platform. For more information, you can always check the documentation section. This is an in-depth documentation, and any information regarding the platform or the configuration you will find here.